Time to take the RV for a small spin. It's been standing here doing nothing for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So it's time that we drive a bit. How does it feel to be behind the wheel again after 3 weeks of isolation?
Well, the sun is shining, so it feels good. But
yeah.
It's temporary, just for charging the chassis batteries a little bit.
A little bit of a freedom feeling for half an hour. And then back in isolation again. Well, this is as far as we will be going today.
15 minutes.
15 minutes, and now we're gonna put the house batteries on.
Try and see what the value is now.
I'm not sure if I want to see.
No, I know. $12.58, so we have to charge, but let's leave them all now.
Yep.
Okay, we'll leave them on now. At 12.55, so we need
Both
it.
on, we heard the click, so.
But we need to charge it. They have to be between 12, 7, 5 and 13. So we'll charge them now, and otherwise we'll put them on power. And the lights
Power
work.
is on, so.
Lights work. There you go. Okay.
And then all of a sudden almost all the snow is gone. So Martin and Ton are taking advantage of the nice weather to do some maintenance on the cottages, because there's no guests here now anyway, so now they can work on it. And in the meantime I want to see the sea. Let's see if I can show you how it is here. So the restaurant, I'm not sure if I can point it out. That's cottage number 4. It's a big cottage. It's plenty of space for, I think, at least 6 people. So that building next to it, I think it's that one, that's the bathroom. So it's 4 cottages. And the bathrooms are all in there. Everybody has his own bathroom with a key, so nobody else can use your bathroom. And back there, I don't know if you can see it, between the bushes are the other 3 cottages. So everybody has his own deck, a lot of privacy. And well, as you see, it's really close to the ocean. You can hear it the whole night, which is wonderful. There's 4 bathrooms in here for every cabin 1. So they've got their own door. They're all locked, so you got a key. That's one of the bathrooms. A little bit more light over there. So the shower, toilet, sink. Just lock it, nobody else will use your bathroom. Martin, the end of March. What do you think about this?
March is almost May. Hate it.
Cape Breton, the end of April. I like that, the chicken spa.